Guys, what is going on? Today we're in Lake George. We're just checking the place out. It's the first weekend here with my beautiful wife, of course.
Hi, husband. Hi.
You hear it. So anyway, we're gonna take a walk down to the beach, go check out some of the local businesses, and we'll see you soon.
Wow. Look at that.
Look at the cars.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, this must be like a car show or something.
Wow, they are beautiful.
Beautiful like me and you.
You came back, babe?
That Massachusetts. I go this way. You want to go down that way, or do you want to go down?
No, I was following you.
I have to go to the bathroom. Duffys Tavern, right there. I ate over at that place before breakfast one time. Me, Tony, and his aunt, and Gio. And we were pretty hungover. Yeah.
Oh,
We were pretty hungover.
I bet you guys were.
Lake George
You were.
Historical Association Museum and Bookshop. Shepherd Park annual events. Is this where we're going to tie the knot? Right here?
Oh.
You know they have events down there. I
So
think.
we can. I think somebody just did, babe.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, we can ask them. I think they are used for photo shoot.
Oh, look at them. There it is.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be us
Oh yes.
soon enough. Trying to remember some of the places I went here to eat. There it is right there. It's beautiful out here. We go down there and sit down there and check out some of the...
Sit over there, babe.
You want to do that?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's go over there. That's where they have the events. Let's go. Hopefully nobody poops on this.
Is it clean?
I don't know, we're about to find out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, as you can see, it's not too packed today, but there are some people out. It's the first nice weekend of the spring, so let's check it out.
Going anywhere from where you're not willing to go.
Got all the stores out. They're just starting to open up. Can't beat it. Gotta definitely find a place to eat here. A couple weeks is gonna be packed. Memorial Day weekend. Smoke shop. Parking over there.
I ran out.
For people here. Post office. Usually, when summer kicks off, these streets are packed. There's always people here. Jack Berries.
What do you want, to sip all this?
Yeah. Village Mall.
And I can come here to pick.
Oh, getting a little wet here. All right, guys. That's it for today. So, took a walk down Lake George. A lot of people out, beginning of the season. See you on the next one. Peace.
Hey, husband.